Welcome back once again in your computer class. Today I am going to discuss about the chapter 7 in your book, that is logo commands. As you know in class 3 that logo is a programming language that is used to draw shapes and figures. It has a small turtle that moves according to the command given and draws the required shape. So you have an idea regarding the logo command. Earlier already you have learned few commands, but in this chapter also few more commands we will be going to learn, like repeat command, polygons, pen up command, pen down command, pen erase command, pen paint command, and some more maths with logo. So let's start. 3. For example, you have learned to draw different figures like using the logo command for square, rectangle, line, triangle, etc. As in the figure already you just see here. For drawing the logo command using logo command, this is the square, which is going to be used like FD100, RT90, FD100, RT90, again FD100, RT90, and finally FD100 and RT90. Right? But in order to avoid this repetition of commands, we can use the repeat command, like the number of lines of commands we need to draw, we have to give the command. Now the command will be given as repeat space the number of times, then space, again you have to write the command to be repeated. For example, repeat 4 in third bracket, you just put FD100 RT90, which is going to be repeated 4 times. That is denoted by repeat 4 in drawing of a square. Right. Now let us go for the new portion, that is drawing of polygons. A regular polygon is a closed figure with all sides of equal length and all angles of equal size. In a regular polygon, the number of sides is equal to the number of angles. Some regular polygons like triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, and nonagon, and finally decagon, which is having 10 sides. We can use these polygons by using the repeat command. Like for drawing of triangle, we can use repeat 3 in bracket FD70 RT120. For drawing square, as you know already, for drawing the hexagon, repeat 6, because the hexagon is having 6 sides. So repeat 6 and in bracket FD70 RT60 approximately. Now children, we are going to start about the new portion, that is drawing of circles or curves with using repeat command. By using repeat command, we can also draw circles, semicircles, and curves. A full circle is drawn with 360 degree and a semicircle with 180 degree. So we can write repeat 360 in bracket FD1 RT1. By using this, we can draw the circle. Next is pen up command. This command is used to lift the turtle's pen up and let it move without drawing a line behind. The command will be given as PU and then enter, and after that you just give the command whatever you want to do, that is FD30 or 50, whatever it may be. This command lifts the turtle's pen up and moves only 30 steps or 50 steps forward without drawing a line. Pen down command. According to the command, already you have some idea regarding pen down command, because in pen up, the turtle pen ups the turtle's head. In pen down, the command, when we are using the turtle's pen down and let it move by drawing line behind it. So as usual, for example, FD30 pen up, then FD30 pen down, and then FD30. What will be there? First you have pen up and then draw 30, and then pen again, pen down and draw again 30. This command puts the turtle's pen down and moves 30 steps forward. Next is pen erase command. This command works like an eraser in the logo screen. This command is followed by FD and BK command, which will erase the line to the given number of steps. For example, FD 100 PE means pen erase. This PE command followed by BK 50 will erase the line 50 steps backward. Pen paint command. This command turns the eraser back into a pen that can draw. For example, FD 100 PE. In case of that, we can write FD 100 PE, BK 50, PPT, FD 20. Here, using this command, we can draw same figure. Next, the last one is, by using some logo commands also we can have few maths based on the logo commands. The operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division can be used by the giving some commands, and we will get the required result. For example, to add any two numbers, the command can be written as print space 3 plus 5, and then you put enter. After pressing the enter key, it will show the result as 8. After pressing the enter key, it will show the result as 8. And again, to subtract of the any two numbers, the command can be written as print 50 minus 10, enter. Similarly, by using the multiply and divide, also we are getting the result by using the symbols. So children, I hope now we are having a little idea regarding the logo commands in your chapter, which is related to repeat, polygon, pen up, pen down, etc. Now go through the book also and try to read the book nicely so that you can answer the questions properly, and wait for my next post. Thank you.